Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Let's see the title of our project. Robust perceptual image hashing based on ring partition in number. This is the title of our project. Let's see the abstract. Nowadays there has been a huge number of images are there in existence. So there's a necessity for the image comparison, for which comparison will be carried out with in our project. We gonna see about the image comparison by generating the image hash value, which is carried out by ring partition and NMF image. User need to provide some query image, then it will be carried out by the normalization, in which the query image will be converted into normalized. Query image will be converted into normalized image by means of creating the normalized image. It will be carried out by further process. After acquiring the normalized image, it will be carried out by determination of midpoint. Here the midpoint of the image will be calculated and the Euclidean distance will be performed in order to determine the distance of the image. Determining the midpoint as well as the distance, it will be carried out by ring partition. In ring partition, the query image will be carried out. Image will be converted. Partition will be carried out by encircling the query image. The most circle will have, in which the innermost circle will have the histogram values. Those histogram values will be converted into the matrix form, which is called non-negative matrix factorization. Generating a non-negative matrix factorization for the inner circle, then it will be carried out for both for remaining encircling. Acquiring the non-negative matrix factorization for the inner circle, then it will be carried out for the remaining circles. Then converting the histogram values into a non-negative matrixation, it will be proceed for rotation. In rotation, in rotation function, the images from the ring partition method will be carried out for which the user need to provide some rotating angle for which that normalized image need to be rotated. After performing the rotation, the resultant image will be called as secondary image. Then user need to select user need to provide some after that user need to provide some another image for the comparison. Second image will be the second image will be carried out by normalization as well as a ring partition and NMF. After that it will not proceed for the rotation, because the rotation is not applicable for the second image. The resultant image from this process is called as processed image. Then after acquiring the secondary image as well as the processed image, it will be carried out for the image hashing process. In image hashing process, image hash value will be generated for both the secondary image as well as the processed image. After acquiring the image hash value, it will be carried out by total correlation, by which we can able to determine whether the both images are visually similar or not. Now let's see the data flow diagram of our project. Here, as I said, user need to provide some input query. It will be carried out for the normalization function, in which after acquiring the normalized image, it will be carried out by ring partition and image will be called as secondary image. So after acquiring the secondary image, the user need to provide some additional image for the comparison, that is images that need to be compared. So that image will be proceed with the normalization as well as the ring partition and NMF, but here the rotation is not applicable for the second image. The resultant image will be called as processed image. So after acquiring the secondary image as well as the processed image, it will be carried for hash generation. The hash value will be generated for both the secondary image as well as the processed image. After acquiring the hash values of both images, it will be carried out by a total correlation, by which we can able to determine whether the two images are visually same or not. Thank you. Now let's see the demo of our project. This is the home screen of our project. Here user need to provide some input query. Here we can able to see the properties of the query image. Let's proceed with this. Generate some normalized image for the input query, so the normalized image will be differed by the dimensions as well as the quality factor. Let's proceed with this. So after acquiring the normalized image, the normalization will be performed. So here we can able to find the properties of the query image as well as the normalized image. Let's proceed. Here, for performing the ring partition, we need to we need to determine the midpoint of the query image, as well as we need to calculate the distance of the query image. The distance will be calculated by Euclidean distance calculations. Need to just here we need to determine the total correlation coefficient for the both images. Here we need to determine the correlation coefficient for the both images. Then it will be calculated by ring partition. Here the ring partition will be calculated by encircling the query image, that is the normalized image. Let's proceed with. After performing the ring partition, here user need to provide some rotating angle for which the normalized image need to be rotated. After performing the rotation operation, after performing the rotation operation, the resultant image will be called as the secondary image. Let's proceed with the secondary image. This will be the secondary image of our project. Here we can able to determine the properties of the secondary image. User need to provide some image for the comparison. Let's select some another image. Here we can able to see the properties of that second image. Let's proceed with this. Then it will be carried out by the normalization. We need to calculate the midpoint, we need to calculate the distance. After that, the ring partition will be applied for the second image. Let's proceed with this. After acquiring the secondary image as well as the processed image, the image hash value will be generated for the both images. After generating the image hash value, total correlation will be performed, so that by which we can able to determine whether the both images are visually same or not. Let's proceed with this. Let's verify the image. Here it shows that both images are different. Let's proceed with another example. Let's select some input image. Let's proceed with this. We need to perform normalization. It will be carried out by the resizing of the query image. Let's proceed with this. Acquiring the normalized image, it will be carried out by the it will be carried out for the ring partition methodology. Here as I said, we need to determine the midpoint, distance, total correlation. Here the ring partition will be applied for the normalized image. Then we need to now let's select the same image. Here it shows that both images are visually same. So by acquiring the image hash value, it will be carried out for the total correlation method, in which the total correlation will be generated for the both hash value, by which we can able to determine whether the both images are visually same or not. Thank you.